Hi, what's happening everyone? I've got a 20-minute turnaround for a doctor's appointment. I stopped off, got some chicken. I'm going to get it cooked. Oh, just say hello to the dogs first. Hello, my little puppy. Jesus Christ. Who's a good doggy? Who's a good doggy? We got a bone. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Shh. Stop. Yeah, so 20-minute turnaround, cook some chicken and rice, eat it and go. That's it. Okay, so spray in, pan on. Right, I ain't got time to weigh it out. One large chicken breast. I ain't got time to cut it, just quickly with the scissors. Okay, let that brown off. Each grab of veg, throw that in the microwave. Chuck that for a minute and a half. Another quick stir. Turn the temperature down. This is no gourmet Gordon Ramsay food. This is just literally energy. Fill me up and get out of here. Okay, temperature back up. 200 grams of rice is what I'm meant to have. These are 250, so whack in roughly 200. I ain't got time to measure it all out. Save that for later because tonight's meal is meant to have 300. Then a little dollop of soy sauce. Sriracha, which is Lidl finest, for a bit of flavour. Veg. Little mix. Temperature down. Leave it on the heat for a few minutes. Spend a few minutes with the dogs. Quick check with the temperature probe. I always do it 72. It's meant to be 82 by guidelines, but 72 is always what I've done. That's off. Now, plate it up without making too much of a mess. A little bit of rice is burnt to the bottom, don't really care. It is what it is, I'm in a rush. I don't know if anyone else does this, but a little scoop of EAAs, whack it in. But rather than making a load of ice trays full of ice, I fill up Tupperware pots, scratch the end off with a hammer, whack it in, load of ice, put the rest back in the freezer. That is the end result. 11 minutes. It's all it takes to make something healthy. It would take you longer than that to walk out to the takeaway. All you gotta do is just make sure the supplies are in the house. Anyway guys, take good care.